Hi there, this is Lucius the Framboys from ENG Suite, and today we are going to learn how to use a generic application input box to get a variety of data types. So what we're doing here is we have all of this code on the screen, and this is to create a control chart. And this control chart needs the user to specify some information. The first thing that we want to specify to keep it easy is the name of our data. That name is going to help us name the actual graph itself. It's going to help us give a title to the chart, and it's going to help us label the data in the legend. So the first thing that we're going to want to do is I'm going to uncomment this. We need to create our application.inputBox. And since we're doing a generic data type, this is basically like a variant. It's going to allow us to take anything in. What we're going to do here is we are just going to enter a prompt. So we're going to say, what would you like to name the data? And then this will allow them to do some things. So let's take a look at what this does. And in order to do that, we're going to want to message box our data name. Awesome. All right, let's come into our workbook here. Oops. All right, here we are in our workbook, and I'm going to click macros and run control chart. So when we run this, it's going to ask us what would we like to name the data. So for this first one, I'm just going to say data name. Enter data name. Awesome, and because there's extra code running, it just gives us a blank chart there. So like I said, I want some flexibility. I don't want to have to type in 0.792 plus or minus 0.015. What if I just select that? Well, it pulls the value from the cell. So that's how to use a generic input box to take all sorts of data and do some really, really cool things now that we have the data. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please do something awesome.